Good evening, guys. Welcome to the first class of 3D video animation tutorial. Here I'm teaching you how to make a 3D animation by yourself. All you have to do is just follow the process here. One, an app will be sent to the group. The name of the app is Aptoid app. Let me show you Aptoid app. This Aptoid app. All you have to do is just to download the app. The Aptoid app works exactly like Play Store. I told you. The app we'll be using will not work if it is downloaded from Play Store. So we download the app from here. So let me show you. Click on the Aptoid app. So I've clicked on the Aptoid app like now. So then go to your search and type. The app we'll be using to make the video is Plotagon Story. So I've just search for Plotagon Story. So this Plotagon Story, then click the first one here and download. I've already downloaded the app, so I don't need to download it again. So once you have downloaded the app and installed, then go and open the app. This is the app on my phone, so I just click the app now. Allow it to load. It will take few minutes. Yeah, started loading. So it's going to 100%. So let's wait. So yeah, it's done loading now. So it's showing. Now just click on the middle button here. Then allow it to load. So yeah, we have the plot, character, and create new plot. So number one thing I'll be teaching you is how to create a character. Character is just the person you want in your video. So I just click on the character and it's loading. So these are the characters. So you create your own. Just click on create new. It's loading. It's taking longer than expected. So now you have the number one thing is to choose whether you want a male or female. So let me choose a male. Then you move to the next one here, where we change the face and the skin